welcome to the mess. Yep. So we've got a lot going on. As you can see, there's a whole lot of stuff that's gear that needs put away and organising, and of course dishes to be done, and then just some general tidying up. So we have a lot of stuff sitting on our bench because I am trying to sort the pantries out, which of course is taking me forever because I have so many other things on the go. And so this is what a kitchen looks like when you have 101 video ideas in your head. Also trying to do Vlogmas, also trying to do 10,000 steps a day, wrap up Zumba for the year, and just, you know, do all the things. The weather's really bad today here also in Adelaide, so trying to do things around that. We've had such a crazy busy Saturday, so this video took forever to film and finish the kitchen. I was time stamping it to show you guys what the time was, but then I would come in, do 10 minutes, sit down, come back, sit down. And after that I was like, I'm done, let's just get it done and get finished. So to start with, we're just kind of shoving stuff into the pantry to get it off of the bench, which we will no doubt pull out in a couple of days time when we've reorganized the pantry. We've done half, we've just got to do the rest. That's my goal, to get it done by the end of the year. I'm hoping that's a good goal, seeing there's only about probably 21 days to go. Yeah, but so join with me as we will clean along, and I'll play some music. Now for my Tuesday people, my mega cleaning people who love to clean along with me, I will be releasing on Tuesday the full hour video so you guys can clean along with me. I'll do maybe a little bit of a different chat, and there'll be different music and stuff for you to clean along with me, because I know that many of you say that you've missed those type of videos. So this is just a little bit of a brief overview of what I did end up doing today, compact down for those that like shorter videos, and on Tuesday I'll upload the longer one. I'll upload it also at, you know, first thing 10 a.m. in the morning, so you've got it there ready to go to clean through the day, and then I'll still upload a normal one in the evening for you guys. So enjoy, and I'll be back soon. I'm giving the dishwasher just a bit of a light scrubbing over. I pulled out all the filters and cleaned those, and then also just scrubbed over the cutlery holder, because sometimes it holds a lot of grease on the side, and it is just like that sticky grease that's, you know, that there's something there. So I have just filled the little soap dispenser with some Scalex and then scattered a little bit around inside. There was not much in the bottle, so I just tipped the rest in there. I get it from Bunnings, it's about $12, so put that in there, and then that's going to run for about half an hour. And I actually ended up going for a bit of a walk around while that was cleaning. Got to multitask, and then once I got back and that had stopped, I was able to load the dishwasher up with some new things and also get a start on dinner. I feel like I got more of a workout trying to put my gloves on because my hands were a little bit damp, and it's always the way. I have learnt from my nursing days, if you blow into the glove and then stick your hand in there, it goes in a lot easier. And of course I'm just having a little bit of a dance while I do some dishes, because that's me. Sometimes I forget the camera's rolling and I will be dancing for a good 3 minutes or so to a whole song, especially for something we did in Zumba. So then sometimes I'll go back and just edit that bit out, because I think no one really wants to watch me dancing in the kitchen, but is who I am. Also now just finishing up by putting away the leftover dinner. Everyone kind of had something different for dinner tonight, so there was just stuff everywhere. And this was the last crustless quiche that I made for my daughter, and I have filmed that, so you'll see that in a meal video coming up, because I haven't done one of those for ages. There's been so much going on, what can I tell you? Yeah, slowly getting back to normal, or normal-ish, after I've been sick, and yeah, just trying to get everything back to where it should be, and yeah, on track. Thank you so much for joining with me today. I hope you've really enjoyed it. I so appreciate you being here, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.